Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome to Start Coding Tamil. I'm your Divya. I'm making a Java tutorials. If you might interested in this, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to talk about ToString override method. Before getting into the session, I would encourage you to check my previous video of override superclass method, which would be helpful to get a clear idea of what is override and overriding the superclass methods. So let's get started. Here in my manager class, I'm going to declare a ToString override method. So if I type 2, you can able to see public string ToString, which is a method which is already created in an object class. So here from the object class, we are going to override that method because the object class was just there. Okay, it was a part of the Java library. So all the classes can inherit the data and methods, data attributes and the methods from the object class. So all the class objects can able to access the ToString override method. Okay. So I'm going to declare this one and I'm going to customize the string like I want only for the ID and first name and last name. Okay, this is all about my ToString method in the manager. It is going to print only the name, first name and last name. Okay, when I go to my main class, I'm going to comment this system.out.println. Instead, I'm going to print the n manager object. Let's see what it is happening. So here you can able to see it is printing ID 224, name Sarabon. So if I go to this n manager, so it is going, we have many n manager dot setters and getters. And if I go to this class, because the ToString is an override method, even when I'm just calling the object, it is printing the ID, name, the first name and last name. Then the interesting part is, if you check here, okay, here I'm going to declare your data type, integer data type. Okay, so here I'm clicking a dot. Okay, you just look after the a dot, you can see some gibberish, right? So it's not something, right? So okay, let's compare with the string. Okay, here you can able to see the methods. Okay, ToString, char at, because a string is a class. Okay, so which inherit all the methods. Okay, the ToString, char at, and if you see this hash code, all those things, the hash code is an overridden method, okay, which was implemented in the object. We can override the hash code, something, because it has lot of two uppercase, equal in ends with equals. So this is the difference between the primitive data type and the string, because the integer is a primitive data type, it doesn't have anything, but the string is a class we are just using with the methods. So this is all about the ToString override method. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next video. Thank you all.